this graduate school was inspired by George Washington to teach the things, the large things that a statesman would need to know to govern this country well.
What's missing in a lot of politics today is we have a lot of people that want to talk about first principles. And of course, we have a lot of people that want to focus just on action. It's connecting the two that's the virtue of statesmanship.
Education is about more than just turning out good workers. It should be about turning out good citizens as well. The next generation of Americans who understand the timeless principles of our government. And unfortunately, too many schools, and especially universities, not only fail in that mission, but they actively repudiate that mission.
Young people who come to this town don't have that founding understanding of how government should be and how it will best operate.
So I'm excited about learning the larger story and how to incorporate the wisdom of people who came before us into a very fraught culture right now.
We're going to look at core documents, original documents. We're going to study the writings and thoughts of great statesmen and great books.
And it will mostly be taken by people who work in the government. And they will read old books. They'll start with Plato and Aristotle and Herodotus and Thucydides. And they'll learn what politics is. And then they'll learn what America is. Understand how the Constitution works. And then it'll teach the alternatives to the Constitution that have grown up in understanding and in institutions in America that are the abnegation of the Constitution. And then you'll be equipped to go out in the world and make some decisions. To be a fine human being, you need to have good character. To be a fine human being, or the finest kind of human being, you need to understand the ultimate purposes of life and everything else. And finally, to be a fine human being, you need to be free. We're a college aiming for all those four things. And so the way we're serious about that is to teach in ways that are helpful to being better at governing a free country, the United States of America. We can help ambitious people to understand what that is so they can cultivate it in themselves and learn from it. And that is of huge value.